Instagram has become the best social media platform for getting highly targeted, free traffic to all sorts of offers. According to a recent study, people spend over 300% more time browsing on Instagram than they do on Facebook. When you combine that with Instagram's growing user base, you have a recipe for highly engaged free traffic that you just can't find on any other social platform. Whether you've got an online store, you're looking to build a list, you offer a service, you have an information product you're selling, you're promoting affiliate products, or you are a social media influencer, Instagram is a massive opportunity for growing your reach, building your list, and ultimately making a lot of money without having to spend money on expensive paid ads. Unfortunately, there are some big limitations with Instagram that hold you back from getting the very most that you can of the free traffic that you can generate with Instagram. Right now, you can only add a link in your Instagram bio, and you have multiple links going to different things. You're only able to add one. That means you have to choose one place to send all of the traffic from your Instagram profile. And this can be a tough decision, especially if you're looking to use your Instagram following to grow your social reach across other platforms and showcase your products or services. But what if you didn't have to decide where to send all that free traffic? What if you could send all the traffic from your bio link to a mobile optimized landing page with multiple options for that traffic to click on? Well, you can. But until now, you'd have to manually create your own bio traffic hub, which can be expensive and time-consuming. But the good news is we've developed a simple point-and-click way to harness all of your free bio link traffic that includes tracking, a custom URL shortener, and more. Introducing Insta-Bio Builder. With the Insta-Bio Builder cloud-based software, you no longer have to send all of your Instagram profile traffic to just one link, or stress out about changing that link as your offers, promotions, and focus change. With Insta-Bio, you'll be able to use your Instagram bio link to promote anything you want. And that's because Insta-Bio creates a rich and well-optimized landing page where you can add whatever content, links, and buttons you want and connect your other social media platforms with just a few clicks of your mouse. That means you can drive traffic to your online store, grow your social reach across multiple networks, build a monster email list full of hot links, sell your online course or info products, or even promote affiliate products. The point is, with Insta-Bio Builder, you can send your free bio link traffic anywhere you want. Instagram Bio Builder is super easy to use. Just log into the cloud-based tool from any device that has internet access. Create your own custom bio profile page. And then you can customize and add links to other social profiles or content with just a few clicks of your mouse. Check this out. Instagram Bio Builder is super easy to use. There is no learning curve, and you don't need any special skills or experience to customize your brand new custom bio landing page. The pages you create with Insta Bio Builder are securely hosted on our servers and look amazing, so you can be up and running and getting results in a matter of minutes. Everything inside is drag and drop simple. You can connect your own custom domain if you wish. If you don't want to use the short link you generated for your bio and would like to connect your own custom domain, we got you covered. And we get to host it for you and have it secured for free too. No other bio link tool allows you to do this. Insta Bio Builder also comes with an easy-to-use URL shortener. In digital marketing, our links are like the Cristiano Ronaldo of our team, so versatile and powerful. If you are like me, you have a separate tool for tracking, remarketing, and deep linking. What if you could do all that and then some with our built-in pixel-perfect URL shortener? We can actually sell this as a separate product or service. Built into this software as a service product is a complete solution for branded links generation. And with Insta Bio Builder, you can add your retargeting tracking pixel, so you're able to run retargeting ads to everyone that lands on your brand new bio page. This is a highly effective way to lower your overall ad spend and skyrocket your conversions. Plus, you also get the ability to track all of your clicks inside the dashboard, so you can see which links and buttons are getting clicked on and which ones aren't. Instabio Builder finally puts you back in the driver's seat and makes it easy to get big results from your Instagram accounts. If you're tired of your free Instagram bio traffic going to waste and you're looking for a way to finally get the most out of all that free Instagram traffic you're getting, you need this. And this just keeps getting better. When you get Instagram Bio Builder right now, you're going to get access at the lowest pricing possible. Although we plan to charge $27 per month for this powerful money-making tool, when you click the button below right now, you won't pay anywhere near that. During this special launch, we are waiving the monthly fee completely and slashing the price. For a low one-time fee, you can get instant access to Instagram Bio Builder. Just click the button below, choose the version that makes the most sense for you, and you'll be able to have your new Instagram profile bio link page up and running in minutes. Plus, when you get InstaBio Builder right now, you also get access to some high-valued bonuses for free. These bonuses make it even easier for you to profit from your free Instagram bio traffic. But please don't wait around. If you close this page and try to come back later to get InstaBio Builder, you're going to find yourself paying a lot more money for access. So don't wait. Stop letting your Instagram bio traffic go to waste and finally turn that free traffic into money in your pocket. Instagram Bio Builder makes it easier than ever to maximize the results you're getting with social traffic. Click the button below right now to get started.